Get ready for buttery toasted bread, perfectly melted cheese, and juicy, savory, homemade lamb pastrami stacked in ways you've never imagined. This isn't just a sandwich video, this is a journey into just how incredible a sandwich can be. Let's get at it. This is one glorious homemade smoked lamb pastrami. The secret to turning this into 5 unique sandwiches lies in the slice. We use super thin ribbons, classic medium thin deli style, and thick steak-like slabs to match each sandwich perfectly. My pro tip, always slice your pastrami when it's chilled. It gives you way more control. If you want to see how I made the pastrami itself, that link is in the description and in the link above. Now, before we build our first sandwich, we need to make an incredible roasted garlic aioli. Here's how I do it quickly. Heat about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in a small skillet over medium-low heat and add 5 to 6 smashed roasted garlic cloves. Saute them for 2 to 3 minutes, just until they're fragrant. Don't let them get dark or bitter. Now take the garlic out of the pan, but hang on to that flavored oil. Mash the garlic in a smooth paste. In a bowl, just whisk together a half cup of high-quality mayo, the garlic paste, that leftover oil, and about a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Whisk it all until it's smooth, then season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of smoked paprika for depth. Simple and so good. Okay, now let's build. We're kicking things off with a breakfast sandwich that will ruin all other breakfast sandwiches for you. Meet the morning smoke. First, generously butter the cut sides of your brioche buns and griddle them until they're golden and pillowy. Smear a thin, even layer of our roasted garlic aioli across the bottom bun to create a moisture barrier. Next, pile your thin-sliced, ribbon-like lamb pastrami into a pan in a loose, airy mound. Flash sear it with a touch of beef tallow, just until the edges curl and crisp. Then nestle a spoonful of jammy caramelized onions right into the center of the meat. Drape aged Swiss or provolone over the warm meat and onion stack and cover the pan for just 30 seconds to achieve a perfect tight melt. Transfer that cheesy lamb stack to the bottom bun, crown it with a fresh over-easy egg, and gently place the top bun. This will be your new go-to breakfast. All right. It's time for the one you've been asking for. This is the sequel, the upgrade, the Reuben Melt 2.0. We're building this on hearty marble rye. To start, thoroughly butter the exterior of your rye and lay the first slice butter side down in a medium hot skillet. Apply a sharp strip of Dijon mustard to the interior side, followed by a foundational slice of Gruyere. Separately, shingle your medium thin lamb pastrami into the pan to develop a light crust. Then fold the slices into an accordion-style stack and place them onto the melted cheese. Top the meat with a well-drained mound of sauerkraut. Now for our emulsified 2.0 sauce. It's a knockout blend of mayo, chili sauce, minced shallot, creamed horseradish, Worcestershire, smoked paprika, and finely diced cornichons. Generously spoon that sauce over the kraut. Add a handful of crispy French's fried onions for structural crunch before capping it with a second slice of Gruyere and the top piece of bread. Grill the sandwich slowly, pressing occasionally until the bread is a deep mahogany and the cheese has fused all the layers into a single glorious melt. And hey, if you're enjoying these ideas, do me a favor and leave me a comment if you plan to make this beast this year. It really helps get the word out about the channel too. After that heavy hitter, let's build a brighter option that still packs bold flavors. This is the Mediterranean market sandwich. Slice your ciabatta roll and apply a thick cooling layer of vibrant harissa mayo made up of mayonnaise, harissa paste, fresh lemon juice, garlic, honey, and cumin blended with a stick blender. Add this powerful punch to both the top and bottom interior surfaces. Lay a fresh bed of arugula on the bottom bun for a peppery base. Place 2 or 3 thick sliced slabs of lamb pastrami into a pan with a teaspoon of water and cover, steaming them just until tender and aromatic. Then lay them directly over the greens. Arrange English cucumber slices and pickled red onions over the meat in an alternating pattern for maximum color contrast. Finish the build with a generous crumble of feta cheese, pressing it lightly into the top bun sauce so it stays in place. The rich pastrami is cut perfectly by the creamy spread, crisp veggies, and sharp salty feta. Now for an indulgent hot and loaded sandwich. This is your diner meets steakhouse dream, the Smokehouse Melt. First, make the black pepper seared mushrooms. Get a wide skillet over medium-high heat with oil, and once shimmering, add thick sliced cremini mushrooms in a single layer. Let them sit undisturbed to develop a deep brown crust before tossing them with butter, smashed garlic, thyme, and a heavy dose of cracked black pepper. Now split your focaccia and toast the interior under the broiler. Smear the bottom and top halves with a bold layer of horseradish cream. Now sear your thick sliced lamb pastrami like a steak in a hot pan with butter and thyme until a dark savory crust forms. Place the seared slabs onto the bread bottom and top them with a massive dripping scoop of those peppery mushrooms. Lay 2 slices of Gruyere over the top and return the open-faced sandwich to the broiler until the cheese is bubbly and bronzed. Finally, pile a high nest of crispy French's onion strings onto the molten cheese and set the top focaccia at an offset angle to highlight all those incredible layers. For our grand finale, we're tapping into some trending flavors with a street food vibe. This is the kimchi street sandwich. First, let's toast the bread. Heat a flat top or large skillet and melt a generous knob of butter. Place 2 thick slices of shokupan directly into the butter, swirling them so every inch is coated. Toast the first side until it's a deep shimmering gold. Then add more butter, flip, and toast the second side until it's perfectly crisp on the outside, but stays pillowy in the center. Swipe a heavy glossy layer of our street cart red sauce onto the interior of the bottom bread slice. While the bread is still warm, add a light sprinkle of granulated sugar over the sauce. Set that aside. Now in a separate hot pan, toss the thin shaved lamb pastrami and some well-drained chopped kimchi together. Stir fry for about a minute until the kimchi juices start to caramelize and the lamb is fragrant. Pour a beaten egg flavored with a little toasted sesame oil evenly over each pile. As the eggs cook, use your spatula to tuck the edges inward, keeping that perfect square shape. Once the eggs are almost set, drape a slice of American or pepper jack cheese over the top and cover the pan for 30 seconds to get a beautiful melt. To assemble, slide that cheesy egg, kimchi, and lamb stack right onto the sugared bread. Finish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds directly onto the molten cheese to lock them in place before closing the sandwich. It just goes to show you, lamb doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity, you can turn one big cook into a whole week of top-tier sandwiches. Want to see more? Check out my Breakfast Classics playlist for a ton of other awesome ideas. Later, Gator.